Hi, my name is Nikhil Baduma and I'm a student at MIT. Today, I'll be demoing one of my latest inventions, the Pulse6 Sense-enabled virtual chemistry set.
The Pulse6 Chemistry Set consists of a deck of cards, each of which represents either a molecule or an energy source. This particular card that you see on this slide represents the water molecule. Each card has the name of the molecule or energy source, as well as some additional information about that entity. Moreover, there's a cut-out part of the card that's replaced with a piece of plastic transparency that contains an image. It's meant to be placed on a white tabletop. A lab bench for this purpose is actually included in each Pulse6 chemistry set. Now, you see a lot of information is displayed on this card, but this is only the tip of the iceberg. In fact, in order to unveil the layer of digital information that's overlaid above this card, we'll have to use the Pulse6 application. The Pulse6 augmented reality chemistry app was actually developed on the Unity platform and developed in C#. The application can be seen on this Android phone. I'll be opening it right now. It takes just a second to power up, but once it opens, you'll see that it actually opens up to the camera of the mobile phone. Now, this application is able to detect images that are the image that's present on this card. As you can see, we've been able to overlay a three-dimensional model of a water molecule on top of this card. Now, we can rotate or we can actually move the camera around and see this molecule from a variety of different angles, which is quite impressive. You can see that this technology is quite robust because even if we change the angle at which we view the molecule, the program is still able to sort of remember where the molecule was constructed and therefore provide us with a nice three-dimensional view. Now, if we wanted to, we could also move the actual image around. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do so because I only have two hands, one for the iPad recording this video and one for the mobile device. But it is possible to move the target image, and the actual 3D model will move along with it. One of the powerful aspects of this technology is the fact that it would allow a student to understand how two different molecules interact, react, and form new molecules. I'll give you an example in this video. Now, take a look at this oxygen card. Again, just like the water molecule, we can see a three-dimensional version of this molecule constructed on top of the card. On the next slide, you can see hydrogen. Again, similarly, we can construct a three-dimensional model. And finally, a heat source, which is necessary to turn hydrogen and oxygen into water. Also, another three-dimensional image is constructed above the card. Now let's say we overlap these three cards, resulting in the transparencies creating a new image, the overlapped images that were shown in the previous three cards. Now, the AR augmented reality app is able to recognize this and actually construct a 3D model of a water molecule on top of the card. As the next step, I would like to replace the three-dimensional water molecule with this animation I've constructed here, which shows how two hydrogen molecules can interact with the water molecule to produce two water molecules. Such a three-dimensional understanding of how reactions work would provide a new layer of understanding to students trying to learn chemistry. Overall, I believe that Pulse6 technology has the potential to revolutionize the way students learn chemistry in the United States and all over the globe.